Line wire automatic sending with servo motor control, 3 to 6 mm. Cross wire automatic feeding with servo motor control, same 3 to 6 mm. It can make sure the wire feeding accuracy. Mesh height 2.5 meters. There is no stopping between the two panel fans. The heavy-duty hopper can load 1.5 tons wire. Welding speed can be up to 80 tons per minute. We adopt European technology pneumatic welding system. After welding, the mesh pulling car will carry it to the bending machine. The pulling car with servo motor will make it right position as we set in the PLC. And the mesh carrier will take the finished panel mesh to the right place. It will save us too much manpower. Any inquiry, please contact me without hesitation. Please subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my video. And you can see more related video in the future.